The postmodern's view of government is more web-based than the modern centralized view of government. You keep this in mind. With modernism being fundamentally mechanistic and the mechanics being the expression of nature, or mathematics being the expression of nature, then all information converged upon a central interpretive point, that is matter. So the systematic governmental approach moderns are used to echoes that sentiment and echoes that structure. For example, you got the old view of work, okay, where there is a factory, that's the central location. It's where the employer goes, it's where the employees go, it's where product or materials come in, it's where it's where customers come. And so the postmodern world, or the POMO's world, has fractured that view. Because their world is more global, their world includes more people, and it kind of goes beyond the boundaries of just the locale, but it includes a global conversation. Theirs is more web-based, where there is no centralized location. But they pick and choose elements that actually can contribute to, say, their overall business purpose. So, for example, the idea that a father or that a mother can work out of the house and can network with people in different countries in order to achieve a business end is a very postmodern, or very postmodern concept, meaning after the modern. It's not unique to the modern. With the modern, regulation was absolutely essential. And for there to be regulation, there had to be someone who could oversee all produce, all products going out, all resources coming in, all product going out. And so this is one of the, I think, very beneficial aspects of postmodern culture that moderns can actually take advantage of, because you can tend to get a whole lot done with a whole lot less.